Okay, folks, we are live in Ontario New Zone. I am here on San Antonio Avenue, the south portion of San Antonio Avenue, where just a little while ago there was two huge explosions, and I live near the downtown area, and my windows shook, and it was very alarming. So what I did is I got in my vehicle, and I'm trying to travel down San Antonio right now to see exactly what it was that exploded. I was in my backyard with my dogs when I heard the second explosion, and I saw the smoke come up relatively quick. So now I am here trying to work my way to see what exploded. But as you can see in front of me, there are a line of vehicles who are trying to do the same thing pretty much. I just passed Phillips Avenue, and I believe this fire is on Philadelphia Street. I'm not sure, but it's a huge fire, a massive fire, and it was an explosion. I'm sure many of you felt it and heard it, and we're gonna get a better shot of it right now. But there's a lot of people who's trying to work their way over there also to see what it was that exploded. It was a very loud explosion. Look at this. It's pretty incredible, to say the least. This is insane. This is taking place in South Ontario. I'm on San Antonio Avenue, working my way southbound. It's right next to this preschool, but it doesn't appear that this preschool is in session right now. Look at this smoke. It's pretty intense right now. So this explosion happened about 20 minutes ago, right next to the preschool on San Antonio Avenue. Now I wanted to turn down this street right here, but just a few minutes ago the cops just now got here and they blocked off the street. Look at this intense fire. Look at this smoke. Obviously it's still out of control because of the black smoke. There's actually still things exploding. Things are popping still. So it's apparently a house. I believe it's a house that exploded. Oh man, this is actually scary, because I believe that it is a house and cops are showing up, blocking the road off. I hope everybody is okay. The fire department is still on their way. I'm sure multiple agencies will be on their way. Well, that explains what that was. Wow. Holy cow. Okay, I need to get out of here. This is a bit dangerous for me to be filming, so. Holy cow. Oh, man. Man. Holy Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna leave now. This is getting a bit dangerous, but as you all just saw right now, all those fireworks just igniting. So I believe that it was some kind of illegal firework warehouse, a place that was storing fireworks. But holy cow, what is up with that? So I'm sure more information will be released as the day goes on, but what impeccable timing that was. What impeccable timing that was. Very dangerous. I hope everybody is okay over there. I'm gonna leave the area because it's just getting worse.